Stay tuned if you want to learn how to make this easy but tasty garlic barbecue wings. Welcome back to another cooking video with Mix Chop. We want to say welcome to our old and new subscribers. We appreciate you all for the support. For today, we'll be learning how to make some garlic chicken wings. For our ingredients, we have the star of the show, our chicken wings, 3 cloves of garlic, our black pepper, bouillon seasoning, crushed pepper, vegetable oil, and our barbecue sauce. Next, we're going to season our chicken with some simple ingredients. You want to wash your chicken. I washed my chicken off camera. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper to our chicken here. And we're also going to add 1 tablespoon of bouillon powder seasoning. And you just want to go ahead and mix that in really nicely. I just want to season my chicken nicely because I'm not going to add any other seasoning to my sauce. That's the reason why I'm adding enough seasoning. You just want to get all into that chicken and mix it really nicely. So we're just going to put this aside and let it stay for like 5 minutes. So we're going to put our wings in the air fryer really quickly so it goes really fast. You can put that in your wings in the oven as well, but we're just going to put this in here. Put our chicken into the air fryer. We're gonna go ahead and just want to chop into small pieces. This is what our air fried chicken looks like. It has that golden brown color. That's how you want it. Next, we're gonna heat up our oil. We're just using the stove to heat up our oil. This is half a cup of cooking oil. I'm just gonna let this heat up for 4 or 5 minutes, and then we're gonna add the rest of our ingredients to our oil. So after that 4 to 5 minutes, we're gonna empty our hot oil into another pan. So we're gonna put this hot oil into our pan over here. Be careful, this is super hot. We're gonna add our garlic. We're gonna add our crushed pepper. We're gonna mix this in this oil. Look how beautiful it looks without even adding the barbecue sauce. And you also want to add your 1/3 cup of barbecue sauce to this mix. This is original barbecue sauce, but you can finesse it with other barbecue sauce if you choose. And we're just gonna mix this really nicely. The reason why I put a little barbecue sauce because I don't want I don't want my wings to be so sweet. So that's why I have like a small amount of barbecue sauce. Now we're gonna add it to our wings. I'm just gonna put the wings in here. You can drain the oil out from your wings, and you have that garlic barbecue wings. Super easy to do, and we're just gonna plate this for you guys. Here's the final look of that garlic barbecue chicken wings. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you did, please give us a thumbs up, comment below. Also, follow us on all of our social media platforms. Thanks for watching, and see you in another video.